Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jerry, Blade Blade Rest Lawn Care. I want to get a special shout out to Tony's Lawn Care. Hooked me with these awesome bungee straps. Look at them. They're so awesome. I already used them. I already have. Just got them in today, used them. Having a little fun here. Did a little reverse on this video. Kind of cool thing to do. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'd like to have more interaction on this channel. If you guys like to interact, it'd be awesome. I like to interact with everybody. We all teach something. Teach each other something. Been getting pounded by rain this week. Just unbelievable. When I can mow, the grass is so tall, it's just incredible tall. As you tell here, little grasshoppers are getting to work out here. It's pretty cool. They finally got stretch his legs a little bit. Um, but yeah, this is one of my newest lawns here. It's like 3 acres. It's kind of fun to do. Sit back and just enjoy the ride all day long. Get some good straps going in there. Same video, just a little faster. Um, Here in a second, you guys are gonna see some clips of some um, just different pictures we've done this week. Kind of nice looking, huh? Yeah. Anyways, this pretty much is the video here. You guys have a great week. Um, Stay positive. Oh, I want to tell you all about this weed eater right here. It's a battery power weed eater from Echo. Hunker let me use it this week. I helped him out a little bit. He helped me use it, and it is so awesome. I mean, it was taking on some tall stuff. Battery power weed eater from Echo. It's a pretty cool little weed eater. I like it a lot. I really do. But anyways, here in a second, you'll see some rain coming up. We got so much rain. It's just incredible. I don't know why we're getting so much rain. It's just being stupid. Anyways, you guys have a great day. This is Jerry with Blade Brothers Lawn Care. Remember, like and subscribe my channel. Interact with me. I like to interact. I will give feedback also. There's a rain we got today, inch and a half, or about an inch of rain, I guess it is. That was earlier this afternoon.